Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Christy with Generation Family Properties. I'm the sales manager and I'm here to help you find the property of your dreams.
Thinking about buying land? Awesome, and I can't wait to help you. But before you sign anything, ask these 3 questions. Trust me, it'll save you a ton of headache later. Number 1, what is the zoning? This tells you what you can legally do on the land. Build a house, put an RV, run a business. Check it out and make sure it matches your plan. We list all of our zoning information on every website listing in the green and white chart, so make sure you scroll down and check it out to make sure the property is going to be right for you. Number 2, how do you access the land? Is there a legal road or do you have to cross through somebody else's property? That's a deal breaker for a lot of buyers. Again, this information is going to be listed in that green and white chart on our website. Most, if not all, of our properties do have legal and physical access, but on occasion we do get one that has tricky access, so make sure to check, and if you have any questions, just let me know. And number 3, what's the deal with utilities and water? Can you hook up to electric? Is there a well? Will you need one? Again, this info is not only listed in the green and white chart, but any of our properties that already have utilities, we make a point to make that very clear in the listing. So while some of our properties are fully off-grid, some do have electricity nearby or city water and sewer lines. So make sure to check it out so you know if it will fit into what you're looking to do. Ask these 3 questions before you buy, and you'll avoid 90% of rookie mistakes. Want more land buying tips? Make sure to follow and subscribe for weekly property videos. And of course, you can reach out anytime with any questions, and I'm happy to help you find your perfect piece of property. See you guys next time. Bye.